Welcome, today in front of me DOOGEE S95 Pro, and I'll show you how to disable quick launch or for double tap function key or one tap function key on this device. So first, for example, we'll press once on the button, and as can you see, we can make the screenshot. If we want to turn it off this function, just tap here to the settings, and you'll see here the settings and function. Tap on the function and select a smart key. And now just here you can see that by pressing for one click or to double click, you can make a screenshot. If you wanna just turn it off of this function, just click here to the no operation, and here by the same way. And now if you will just press the button, you can see that this function is deactivated. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.